Wow, blueberries, my absolute favorite of all the berries. The dark purplish color is there because of things called anthocyanins. These are antioxidants that are very important for your health. They are anti-inflammatory, they can help with your mental or cognitive function, and they are great for your heart. Oh man, look at that color. Tomatoes, the redder, the better. Full of things like lycopene, which is an antioxidant, and for men out there, it's great for your prostate health, but also beta-carotene, which is great for your vision. I love my sweet potatoes. Why? Because they're low in glycemic index. They release sugar very slowly into your bloodstream, which is very important. They also have fiber along with that low glycemic index. So if you're gonna choose between white potato and sweet potato, I say go with the sweet. Avocado is one of the healthiest fruits that you can get. Nutrient dense, full of fiber. It contains 3 grams of monounsaturated fats. Those are the good fats. Lower your cholesterol levels, keep your sugar levels in check, and decrease your risk for heart disease. Kale. This is the superfood of all superfoods. It is full of fiber, antioxidants, calcium, even iron. This is your no-guilt food. Kale all the way. Cottage cheese, full of nutritional benefits, high in protein, low in fat, and you know what? One serving only has 20 calories. You can't go wrong with cottage cheese. Quinoa is great on the Clean 20. It comes in multiple colors, has a little different in flavors. Buy it pre-washed. That means that the saponin, which is the natural pest repellent that's a coating on the quinoa grain, is already removed for you. You can have some bread, but it must be either 100% whole grain or 100% whole wheat. The white bread, no good. It's refined, which means that the manufacturer has crushed those grains and taken out a lot of the healthy nutritional benefits. All right, Rach, I have everything I need for the Clean 20. I'll see you back in the studio.